I'm gonna show you how to make this hot chocolate coffee, which I absolutely enjoy while reading, especially in the rainy season. So first off, you're going to bring some milk to a boil. Meanwhile, in your favorite mug, you're going to add some instant coffee powder, some sugar, and then add in some cocoa powder, or you can even use some hot chocolate powder. And once your milk comes to a boil, you're going to switch off the flame and then pour this milk right into your mug. And then you're going to stir it till your creamy concoction comes together. And your hot chocolate coffee is ready to be served. You can enjoy it just like me with your favorite book. I hope you enjoyed this quick recipe, and more recipes are coming, so make sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date, and I will see you soon. Bye!